Let me show you what you can buy in Japan for around 88,000 US dollars. This fully renovated 2-story detached home is located in Sennan City, Osaka. It offers an incredible amount of space for the price. The property sits on 201 square meters of land with a building size of roughly 112 square meters, giving you plenty of room. The home has already been completely updated, so it's move-in ready from day one. Outside you'll find 2 parking spaces on site, which is a big bonus. There's also a yard area that you can design however you like, whether that's a relaxing outdoor space, a garden, or something the family can enjoy. It's also conveniently located about 6 minutes walk to the nearest bus stop, with access to Kumatori Station on the JR Hanwha line. The station has direct access to Osaka City and Kansai International Airport. If you're interested in this property and would like to know more or to set up a showing, contact us on Instagram or through our website at Omori Osaka.